Have you ever had new carpet installed and it starts to wrinkle after a few years and wondering what's going on? Usually there's a couple key reasons of why that's happening, and none of them are good. Carpet wrinkles can be an easy fix, but understanding why it happens is equally as important. The main reason why carpet wrinkles happen is because of poor installation. If you're not using a power stretcher when you install carpet, you're just doing the old methods of kicking it in, most likely it will wrinkle. Find an installer that's going to use a power stretcher. That's going to prevent 99% of wrinkles in the future. The next reason why wrinkles will happen is because of shifting furniture around. Shifting furniture around constantly can cause the carpet to start to dislodge from its key anchor points. So when you're lifting furniture around your room, try to lift straight up and not drag it across carpet. The other reason could be temperature changes. Drastic changes in weather or moisture can cause the carpet backing to shift and expand over time. Even something as simple as a steam clean can start to affect the backing of the carpet and cause wrinkles in the future. The final reason that a carpet could start to wrinkle is because there is a defect with the carpet itself. If the carpet backing starts to delaminate, it can actually start to wrinkle because it's separating from the fibers itself. If this is happening, then try to reach out to whoever installed it to file a claim, because that is a defect and it should get replaced. So how do you fix carpet wrinkles? Usually you need to go back in and actually power stretch it again. Well, that will fix the majority of the wrinkles and prevent them from coming back in the future. However, there is a risk to this. With really old carpet, it can tear or rip the carpet, and that will cause it to have to be replaced. So anything under 10 years, you probably are safe. Anything over 10 years, I wouldn't risk restretching it, and I would just get new carpet. At Floor Concepts, when we install carpet, we use a power stretcher all the time because we don't want you to have any problems with wrinkles in the future. So when you're buying carpet, make sure that you ask these questions. Is my installation team using a power stretcher? If you're dealing with wrinkled carpet in your home, I can help you decide what next steps are and how to get it fixed, whether we try to restretch it for you or we need a replacement. Give me a call and I'll try to help you out. Hit subscribe for more honest floor tips, and I'll see you guys in the next video.